Hey guys, Johnny Mac with BluePrint Engines out here at the Archway, Kearney, Nebraska. And pretty cool when the owner of your company tosses you the keys to his personal car. So for those of you that don't know about this 33 Factory 5 hot rod we have here, we're obviously partnered with Factory 5. We do engine packages with the transmission and the front drive already bolted on them. And we work so closely with them and have such a good relationship, they actually gave us this car. So definitely an awesome thing for us. As you can see, we have one, we know what fits them. We're very good at those engine packages for the Roadsters, the hot rods, even sell a GTM engine here and there. Factory 5 is a great company and we're happy to work with them. So what we've got for you today is we're out here at the Archway. We're gonna cruise back to the plant just to kind of see what it's like to ride along in one of these cars. This has our 306 package in it, so it's one of our aluminum head roller cam engines. It's a great fun engine for one of these cars that remains, very streetable. This one has our Holley Sniper EFI system on it. It's pretty easy to drive. No complaints about it so far. Having fun in this car. So what we'll do is head back to the plant. Probably be a little bit noisy, but you can see what it's kind of like to cruise around in one of these cars with us and hear the engine a little bit. And then when we get out there, we'll do a walk around in the car so you can kind of see it and go from there. So we'll get her fired up here and start heading back to the plant. So as you can see, it fires up right away. Sniper EFI works great for us. Get it turned around here. Good, so we won't do anything too wild here, but little 306 is plenty to have fun in one of these cars. Can't beat it. gravel road back here. Don't want to get too nuts, so just kind of letting it do its thing here. It'll cruise nice along in third, fourth. Doesn't lag at all in fifth. Does really good. Wore my big shoes today. Makes it a little tough to shift. But yeah, could have put a little smaller set on, but you heard me lagging a little bit. But you can see I can pop it into fifth. Just roll right along at maybe 20, 30 miles an hour. Again, they don't weigh anything. The 306 does awesome for us. And just kind of, this is fifth gear, just cruising with my foot off the gas and off the clutch. So you can see how drivable these cars are. And we're back at the plant. If you've never seen kind of what it's like to pull into the plant here, this is what we come to work to. Great big facility, 150,000 square feet. So we'll pull her up front and give you a nice walk around of what this car looks like from the outside. Jump out here so you can see the suicide doors on these. Definitely a neat feature. Apologize for the wind noise, might be a little hard to hear, but so again, this is our 306 engine package. Great little entry level fun engine for these cars here. So get the seatbelt back in. So this, we call this 370 horse. We go clear up to 540 if someone would be crazy enough to try it in one of these. We do 427s, 302s, 306s. We do small block Chevys for them as well. And you can see a great looking car. This one's actually wrapped. This is not a paint job. Kind of just to show off the BluePrint engines, and they've got our little thank you to Factory 5 on here. Get you a shot of that. Everybody loves the tires on this car. These are actually just a kind of a rubberized sticker, but a very cool feature on these as well. You can see just a gorgeous job on the wrap. It looks like a paint job, but just wanted to show everybody